This is Peter Booker, and tonight I'm going to give a forecast for Lynchburg, Virginia on January the 17th, 2018. We're looking at snowfall on the day Wednesday, perhaps 1 to 3 inches across the region. We're looking at closer to an inch, let's say, as you move westward into Roanoke, closer to 2 inches near Lynchburg, and as you head south and east of Lynchburg, let's say, into Appomattox County, Charlotte County, and eventually into Halifax County. You'll generally see those totals increase from 2 to 3, even 4 inches near the border of Virginia and North Carolina. Now currently in Lynchburg we have a temperature of 33, our dew point is 23, and this makes the relative humidity 67%. The winds are calm and the barometric pressure is 30.30 inches and falling. Looking at the radar tonight, we can see precipitation extending from the state of Louisiana north and east into the state of Maine. Now, this precipitation will continue to move off to the east very slowly during the day Wednesday, and this will allow for low pressure to form over the state of North Carolina, and this will throw back moisture into the state of Virginia by between, let's say, 3 and 4 in the morning Wednesday, and this will likely last into the afternoon hours, especially for Southside Virginia. And we can see that on the forecast map. This is around 7 a.m. in the morning, that low pressure system really cranking up. And there's another low, let's say over the northeast, that's providing 6 to 8 inches over New England. In fact, places such as Albany and the Capital District could receive 6 inches of snow from this system. As you head into, let's say, Vermont and New Hampshire, they could receive 8 inches in those two states. Now, the big winner in the south is going to likely be North Carolina. Let's say in locations near Raleigh, Durham, 4 to 5 inches of snow could fall in that area. And we can see that better on the forecast map for the GFS model. Now, the GFS model is showing generally around an inch of snow in Roanoke, and as you head into Lynchburg, closer to 2, and as you head south and east of there, 3 inches, let's say over Appomattox and Buckingham, and into Halifax, that would be the big winner in our state, around 4 inches. Now I want to give you a rundown of city by city and town by town. We can see it coating to an inch in Roanoke. That's what I'm expecting there. Roanoke, some of the models are not showing much at all. They could just receive a few snowflakes. And as you head to the east, there's going to be a sharp cutoff line between, let's say, really light snow and the moderate to heavy snow. Lynchburg looks to be right on the boundary, 1 to 2 inches there. As you head into Appomattox, I'm saying 2 to 3. And as you head, let's say, further south and east into Farmville and Danville, I'm thinking both of these areas will pick up similar amounts of 3 to 4 inches. Now, as far as Friday goes, we'll have high pressure building back into the region. This will provide dry conditions in the afternoon. Temperatures will rise into the 40s, so much of that snow, especially in areas that didn't receive all that much, will be gone by Thursday afternoon. Now, looking at the 3-day forecast, and just to summarize what we talked about earlier, on Wednesday we'll have a high of 30 and a low of 16. Again, snow likely in the morning, 1 to 3 inches in most locations. Then by Thursday we'll have highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s under sunny skies. As we head into Friday, temperatures continue to warm into the 50s, and we'll have lows in the 30s with partly cloudy skies. Well, if you enjoyed my forecast, please visit weathermarshal.com and have a great night.